Hi, George here. Let's take a look at the new search feature here in the guided edits. Now, when you first start using Photoshop Elements, you're kind of unfamiliar with things. You come into the guided edits and you see just a ton of stuff. That's basics. Here's color. Here's black and white. Here's fun edits. Loads of stuff in here, as you can see. Here's special edits and photo merge. And you may not know what to do with all these different options. But when you're first starting out, it could be very confusing. And that's one of the nice new features here in Photoshop Elements 2023, and that is the search function right up here. Now, I was in Fun Edits, so it gives me the top options here in Fun Edits. We have some basic keywords over here: recent, updated, popular, landscapes, and portraits. Let's say I wanted to do something different. Maybe I want to do a panorama, a photo merge panorama. So I'll go up here and let's just type in panorama, and it gives me some options. Add motion blur to the background to create an impression of speed. That's not really a panorama, but the first one's the right option. Hit the search button, and there is that guided edit that we want to use. Let's say I wanted to remove the background. We'll just type that in. Remove background, and you have several options. Change background, extend background, make your subject stand out by blurring the background, remove unwanted color, and make unwanted objects vanish. What I want is to change the background. Click on that. And we have two options in here: extend background and replace background. And that's the one that I would use. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to use this new search function. And it just allows you to bypass having to go through and look at every single thing in here to try to figure out which one you wanted to use. And again, this is very useful when you're first starting out with the program. Once you're familiar with it, you'll know where to go right away. But a great new tool here for anybody who is new to Photoshop Elements. If you like this video, hit that like button, click on share, click on subscribe, check out my channel for a bunch more Photoshop Elements videos, and also take a look at my complete training course for Photoshop Elements. There's a link for that right down there in the description, and I'll see you next time.